The COVID-19 vaccines are the best way to get our lives back to normal. Washington counties have 2 weeks to get COVID cases under control or risk moving back a phase in the reopening plan. Health officials hope that pause gives people more time to get vaccinated.
The city of Spokane is considering different ways to convince people to get their shot, especially younger people who are spreading the virus the most. Mayor Kawash is here. Mayor, what the city is considering and why is it so important?
Well, there are several options. One way would be to set up events for vaccinated people exclusively, events that younger people would want to attend. Now, it's that age group causing this right here in Spokane. 261 cases per 100,000 people in the last 2 weeks. And you can see right here, hospital visits are up slightly above the state's goal, closer to 6 per 100,000. Now, the hope is for more vaccinations so Spokane can meet these two goals and get closer to returning to normal. A statewide pause for Washington. No added restrictions, but no clear path forward. Now experts are using this pause to push vaccinations.
And the pause gives families and individuals a chance to get vaccinated to continue to drive down the case counts.
Cases are starting to plateau around the state, but still rising among every age group except those older than 65. That's because 70% of those people are vaccinated. A different story among younger people, but progress slowly being made. In Spokane, 40% of people between 18 and 34 have received their first dose. Nearly 26% of 16 and 17-year-olds also have one shot.
Which tells us that we're moving forward on that. But I would like to say that we need to do better than that if we can.
A new poll from Axios shows 10% of Americans will get vaccinated whenever they get around to it. 21% say they'll wait and see. The goal is to make it as easy as possible for them to get that shot. That means some employers possibly offering a free beer or the city holding special events exclusively for vaccinated people. The health district says that's all being considered right now.
Because this is a group that is going to be more active, more socially active, doing a lot more things, and that's where we've seen more transmission.
The FDA is on the verge of authorizing the Pfizer vaccine for kids 12 to 15 years old. The transmission among that age group is known to be much lower, but there's still reason for your kids to get vaccinated.
Even if it's going to be a low, you still have to worry about grandma, you still have to worry about the neighbors, you still have to worry about the teachers.
Now, there's been a lot of talk about herd immunity and how many people will need to get vaccinated for that to happen. The Department of Health tells us it's working on research for that right now, as it could be anywhere from 60 to 80%. Live in studio tonight, I'm Maher Kawash, 4 News Now.